Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about fashion, unboxings, owning your own business, life with celiac, living in Buffalo, wedding stuff, and today I'm so excited because I've got an unboxing video for you guys today. I recently ordered a number of different things from Amazon. I think it's 5 different things, mostly clothing, and it came to $134, so I figured why not show you everything that I just got from Amazon. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the links below in the caption, so if you guys wanna shop the items, figured I would show you guys everything I got. We're gonna do a try on, just show you all the things. So let me go get the box. Okay, I've got my box of goodies, so let's unbox. Here is our box of 5 items. I'm gonna start with the only thing that is not apparel, which are these travel box pill organizers. I got these specifically for Italy. I felt like these were perfect because I've got a number of different supplements and pills and everything, and all I have is like a 1 week long pill organizer, which is too clunky. It's not compact, and it doesn't even fit everything that I'm gonna need for when Matt and I go to Italy. So I got these. Oh my God, so cute. This is honestly adorable. And then they just pop up like that. They also come with stickers. So if I want to put like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on them, I don't think I'm going to. Maybe I will for some of them, but I got the 3-pack. So it literally, it's just like that. So the 3-pack is the gray, the pink, and the white. I literally love these. I'm honestly so excited. If you know me, you know I love organization so freaking much. Actually, as a quick pivot, let me show you guys what I recently did in the kitchen. I also got these from Amazon, these food bins. So I have quinoa, lentils, brown rice, pasta, risotto rice, and chia seeds. And I'm obsessed with how they look on the counter. Oh my God, I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. I'm honestly eating more chia seeds because they're out on the counter and visible. So back to the Amazon haul. These travel pill organizers are item number 1. Also, what I'm gonna do in the description of the video, I'm gonna have not only the links to everything, but also the prices of every single item. So I believe these were like $7 or something like that. I'm not gonna remember the prices for everything, but next, item 2 is some crew socks. Item 3 are these cutie little like ruffle top socks. So let me try the cute ruffle top socks first as item number 2. Oh, they're super cute. Super cute. They're very, very thin, which is honestly totally fine. So these are the socks. It is literally 6 pairs, 2 pairs in the white color, 2 pairs in gray, and 2 pairs in black. And I specifically got these ruffle socks because I think they look super cute in general. Like if you were to peep my socks in my outfit, adorable. Hold on, let me drop the camera. Like how cute. I think these socks are adorable, and the reason why I got these socks is because item number 3, before we try on those crew socks, this is the item that I'm the most excited about. I got Steve Madden Loafers! Ah, I'm so excited. I am so excited about these. Oh my gosh. They are so cute. I really hope they fit, and I really hope they are comfortable because, oh my God. How cute are these? Oh my God, you guys, I literally cannot. I can't. Oh my gosh, I really want them to fit. I really want them to fit. Because if they fit, the next video we're doing is a how to style loafers. I just feel like these shoes with a little skirt right now is so cute for summer. I also feel like even with jeans, adorable. So let me see. Ooh, they might be too small. Oh no! Oh my god, they are so cute though. Oh my god, actually stop. I don't want them to be too small. I just want to make them work. I'm like, cause they're probably meant to be really tight so that they don't slip off. Oh my god. I am obsessed with these. Wait, I literally might just deal with them being tight because I think that the 8 would I think that the 8 would be too big. Yeah, my toe is definitely crunched. Okay, maybe I do need an 8. Oh my god, I just don't want to have to wait. Oh my god, I literally don't know what to do. Because I also know that when I wear them in, once you wear them in, they're gonna mold to my feet a little bit. Oh my god, I literally don't know what to do. I'm in between a 7.5 and an 8. Okay, maybe I really need an 8. Oh, I don't know. Also, my left foot is definitely a little bit bigger than my right because
they fit perfectly
in the right. So maybe I just deal with it.
I don't know.
They feel really tight though on the left. Oh my god, I don't know what to do.
But I don't want them to be too loose.
Okay, I'm gonna need to ponder these. They're absolutely a yes. I'm gonna keep them. It's just a matter of do I need to exchange them to be the size 8? Or do I just go with the 7.5? I mean, honestly, they feel really tight. But I also feel like they just need to be worn in. So I just don't friggin' know. Okay, let's move on to the crew socks and then I'm gonna try these back on. Oh my god, I love them so much though. There's a literal mark on my foot from wearing them on my left because of how tight they are. So I do think I need the 8, but let's try on. Item number 4 are these crew socks. Cutie little crew socks.
I'm like, how am I gonna return these if I don't like them?
I mean, I guess, why would I not like them, right? 0 out of 10 stars. Don't do what I did. Don't just rip them like that. That was not a smart move on my part. I'm gonna cut it for the next one. We're trying on for the vlog. Oh, these are great, honestly. These are the brand Hue, H-U-E. Just a simple crew sock.
I just needed a few more
basic crew socks and I didn't want to spend. I've been buying my crew socks at Rec Sweat and I literally love them. They're amazing. But I wanted to see if I could find a good brand that I liked and I really like these. I think these are awesome. So, super excited about these Hue
crew socks.
This is a win. All the socks are a win, so that's awesome. And the last item in the haul is this dress. It's like a bluish, periwinkle-ish color, so let me try it on. Wow, I absolutely love this dress. This is literally perfect for Italy and just perfect for the summer. It's nice and long, it goes all the way to the floor, it's soft as butter. Oh my gosh, it's nice and stretchy. The straps are adjustable. It's literally perfect. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I feel like it's so flattering. Look. It's like a ribbed material. The color is so good. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute.
I love it.
I love it. And you can see how thin the straps are. And they're adjustable. Which is so nice. I just love this color. Oh my God, and now I like want this dress in a million more colors. I'm not gonna
do that.
but I really like it. I'm so happy that I got it. So everything was a win in the haul. I've got this great dress. We've got our travel pill cases, 2 different socks. I just definitely need to exchange these loafers for the bigger size.
There's just no way.
They're just not gonna work. I'm gonna try them on again, but I just don't think they're gonna work. So I'm gonna end up exchanging those, but I wanna know what is your guys' favorite item in the haul. Let me know in the comments and stay tuned because I'm definitely keeping the loafers. It's just a matter of needing to get the right size. And then I'm gonna do a fun little styling loafers video for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Wait, you guys, now I'm like so torn because I just put the loafers on again and now they already feel like more comfortable. And I'm like, do I just need to like walk around in them a little bit and like loosen them up? Because Matt just made the point, he's like, yeah, they're like a pretty waxy material. I think the 8's gonna be too big.
As I'm walking in them. Okay, I might end up keeping them.
TBD.
TBD.
On what size loafers I do, but I honestly might just end up keeping the ones that I currently have.
So this might have just been like the best
Amazon haul ever because everything is a win. Also, I'm literally wearing the loafers and the dress right now, which is not, this is not the combo, as you'll see. We would never wear these together.
But
these are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I literally love them. They're so cute. Need to like roll it up. Oh my God. I'm so excited about them. I honestly might just end up keeping this size because they already feel like they're getting comfier.
I just feel like they need to be worn in a little bit.
I really think the 8 would be too big. So stay tuned for a fun styling loafers video because holy shit, I'm obsessed. They're so freaking cute and I love this dress. I honestly might look and see what other colors they have. Maybe I get it in one more color. Anyway, thanks for coming along for this fun $134 Amazon haul. I feel like I've never spent $134 in a better way. Re-upped on socks. The socks look so cute and because they're so thin, they work perfectly with these loafers. If it was a thicker sock, it literally wouldn't work because the loafers are so tight. So that ended up being a win. The crew socks are great. Love the dress, love the travel pill cases. I'm honestly gonna go bring those into the bathroom. An organization standpoint, put them where I have like my jewelry, my travel jewelry organizers. And yeah, thanks for coming along in the vlog.